Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm discussing top 10 low maintenance houseplant for lazy gardeners. 9 o'clock moss rose, native to Brazil, the perennial plant with colorful flowers, boosting timeless beauty. The moss rose is first on our list of low maintenance houseplants. It can be planted in the soil, potted, or even grown in hanging pot. The plant beautiful flowers have an old world charm to them. How to care? The 9 o'clock plant is a drought tolerant plant. Overwatering 9 o'clock plant can be harmful. However, watering the plant when the soil appears dry is required to keep its root strong and get good blooms. Place it in an area that receives full sunlight for at least 4 to 6 hours a day. Snake plant, Sansevieria traphaceata, long, sharp, deep green leaves growing in rosettes. The snake plant is an evergreen, low maintenance plant. Fragrant white flowers occasionally adorn when the plant matures. The snake plant is also brilliant air purifier. It absorbs toxins and improves air quality. How to cure? The snake plant can survive outdoors as well as indoors and is known as zero maintenance plant. Overwatering these plants can be harmful as it needs water only once every 10 days. Dried soil is a good indicator that it needs water. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is a perennial tropical plant, is low maintenance and easy to grow. The foliage of small glossy leaves makes the plant attractive effortlessly. The ZZ plant is excellent air purifier and can remove toxins like xylene, toluene and benzene from the air in our surrounding. How to cure? The ZZ grow well in medium to low light. It is also a drought tolerant and can be watered infrequently about once in 2-3 weeks. Some organic fertilizer every 2 months can help the plant live longer. Syngonium. Though the low maintenance Syngonium plant brings positive energy and balances the yin and yang energies. The five lobe shaped leaves are known to represent the five elements of Feng Shui wood: fire, earth, metal, and water. How to cure? Syngonium is a great indoor plant as it prefers indirect sunlight. Some dry out between watering can help the plant grow better. Overwatering should be avoided. Clean the leaves occasionally to avoid dust accumulation. Money plant, easy to grow and care for. The low maintenance money plant has long been known to bring prosperity and luck to home, improves concentration and elevates mood. The vine plant hosts marbled green leaves and also its amazing air purifier. Overwatering, however, may cause harm. Some fertilizer once a month can help the plant grow better. Peace lily with leaves of shiny green, golden ovals and creamy white hooded flowers. The peace lily is one of the most beautiful low maintenance flowering plants you can incorporate in your home. Additionally, peace lily is a good air purifier. How to care? The peace lily prefers indirect light, so you can place it both indoor or outdoor accordingly. It does not really like being overwatered but needs moist soil. Poke your soil and check the moisture. If it feels dry to touch, you can water your plant with about half a glass of water. Spider plant. The spider plant is low maintenance, attractive addition to any home. It can remove 90% of harmful toxin commonly found in households. For this reason, you should consider placing your house plant in your kitchen or bathroom. However, how how to care? Place the plant away from direct harsh sunlight in an indirect light area. Direct sun can scorch its leaves. The spider plants prefer to dry out between watering. Check the moisture in the soil by poking your finger to determine if your plant needs water. Jade plant, an extremely popular low maintenance succulent. The jade plant is considered the money plant or dollar plant in many cultures. It is believed to bring good fortune to its home and hence make a good gift. The fleshy, bright green leaves are symbolic of growth and renewal. How to cure? The jade plant prefers 3-4 hours of morning light. It can be kept indoors to decorate a desk, table, or any place. It does not need watering until the top 3-4 inches of soil is dry. Star cactus, a perennial rosette foaming succulent. The star cactus is small, low maintenance plant you can bring home. Its shiny green leaves are triangular and thick. How to cure? The succulent can be placed outdoors or in indoor location that receives 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. It is small in size, so it can be used as a self decor too. However, do not suffocate it in a dark room. Aloe vera, a low maintenance, easy to grow plant. Indian households have been growing aloe vera for years. Despite being a sturdy plant that hard to kill, the aloe vera is a beautiful succulent and can be used as a house decor. It is also known for its medicinal and Ayurvedic properties. How to cure? Aloe vera loves natural bright light, both indoor or outdoors, but direct harsh sunlight can cause damage. You can water it once a week in summer and space the watering even more in winters and rainy season. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy the video. If you find it informative, then subscribe my channel for more such information. Thank you. Thanks for watching.